Welcome, my name is Kelly, and today we will be working on a breathing meditation. Let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position, either with our legs crossed or not. If you prefer, you can also lie down. You do you, whatever feels comfortable for you. You can also lean against a wall or a couch to stabilize your lower back. If sitting in a chair, have your feet planted on the floor with back straight, spine lengthened, elongated, feeling tall and balanced. Pull back your shoulders slightly to open your heart. Feel free to rest your arms and your palms wherever feels comfortable for you. Now let's start noticing our breath, our normal breathing pattern. Being aware how deep your breath feels. Being aware of every breath in, every breath out. Becoming aware of the touch, the connection of our bodies with the earth. Either if you're lying down or if you're sitting. Becoming aware of any sensations, tensions, tightness. Bring your awareness to the area around your eyes, your forehead, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, if tightened, try to let them relax. Let's let ourselves relax. And start tuning in to our inner selves, focusing on the breath. Now, let's make our breath slightly deeper. not force, more a bit deeper than your normal breathing pattern. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. When you breathe in, chest and belly expand. When you breathe out, chest and belly contract. Let's feel this pattern for a little bit. Let me start counting. Inhale, chest, belly, expand for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, chest and belly contract. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Inhale, chest and belly expand for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, chest and belly contract for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, back to your normal breathing rhythm. Start counting down from 10 to 1 until you're fully relaxed. Take your time. Let's spend some minutes here just sitting in stillness, focusing on the breath. If the mind wanders, if thoughts start coming in, that's totally okay. No need to judge. Let them in, let them out, and focus your attention back on the breath. You can also count 1, 2, breathe in, 1, 2, breathe out. 1, 2, breathe in, 1, 2, breathe out. Just don't forget to be kind to yourself. And when you're ready, after showing some appreciation for yourself, for taking the time to take care of your inner being, your inner self, start bringing your awareness to where you are, wiggling your fingers and toes, and gently start opening your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.